Good morning, students. So today you are going to study about conservation of forests. Today I will tell you something about conservation of forests. This part of chapter is left for explanation. So today you will come to know about how we can conserve the forest. Cutting down of trees. Day by day, people are cutting down the trees on a large scale. So what is this act is called deforestation. Okay, for what they are being cutting day by day? For making buildings, for making factories, for farming, roads, bridges, and so on. It is important to conserve forests. Why? Because roots of trees absorb water. However, if trees are cut, the soil can no longer absorb water. Therefore, when heavy rain occurs, the water remains on the top of the soil, resulting floods. Means roots of the trees are, they just hold the soil, and because of that water is absorbed by the soil. If the soil is loose, अगर soil loose होगी तो वो water absorb नहीं कर पाएगी, तो जिस वजह से soil erosion होगा और टॉप लेयर जो फर्टाइल लेयर है वो रिमूव हो जाएगी. इन हिली रीजन्स इफ देयर आर नो ट्रीज the moving water during the rain washes away the top layer of the soil. Without this top layer, which is full of nutrition, plants and trees do not grow properly. The soil become loose and cause landslide. जब ऐसे पहाड़ों पे जब होती है, माउंटेन्स पे से ट्रीज हट जाएंगे तो जिसने सॉइल को होल्ड करके रखा है, जिसकी वजह से बिग बिग माउंटेन्स हैं, वो भी जब ज़्यादा रेन होगी तो लैंडस्लाइड्स होती हैं वहाँ पे. नाउ मैनी in rainy season you will listen that landslide in that particular hilly region because of this cutting down of trees only. Homes of thousands birds and animals and insects are lost due to deforestation. Why? Because forest is a home of animals, and if we are going on cutting these, we are going on clearing forest, then for their home will be distracted. We must also remember three words that are important conserving any natural resource. Any natural resource is the reduce, reuse, and recycle. They are also known as 3R. We must reduce the use of plant product that made up of trees. If we do this, fewer plants, trees will be cut down to make new product. We must recycle the product such as paper, books, card boxes, and reuse them. Clear? After that, wildlife in India. Wildlife in India and conservation of wildlife in India. Tomorrow I will explain you, and tomorrow this chapter will get completed. Okay, thank you.